Well, happy days on our way to the track day. Nice anniversary present from my lovely wife. Been belated because of COVID and the car broke down. We should have been a McLaren, but turns out we'll be driving a Lamborghini instead. But lovely morning for it, nice and cold and crisp, and off we go. Go, 10:25, road was expected back control. Something that you see every day. Oh, there's something else down there. Didn't expect to see these here. That's very interesting. We're here at Drift Limits. Well, this started out as a drive in a McLaren, which broke down, and so we went for a Lamborghini Huracan. When we got there, they just arrived, told us that the Huracan isn't available either, which isn't great. So it's going to be a Ferrari drive. To explain, I've got the helmet on and ready to go, but the wind is so horrific I can't get the word in. So here's the purple Ferrari. I did ask them why they painted it purple, but it's a wrap. It's a white car underneath. They wrapped it in their colours. Beautiful thing, makes a cracking noise. Kind of a shame you can't really hear it because of the wind. But it was a beast of a machine. 458 Challenge Cup car. It was a monster. I wasn't disappointed at all.
First 4 laps we're going to take a little easier, and then the 10 afterwards we're building that pace. I'll be telling you, go faster, faster, telling you sort of where to brake, accelerate, all of that. So the left onto the track. To the left, now start to feed the power back on. We're going to go straight in the yellow cone. On the brakes, tighten to the left. Past that, and you gradually start to feed the power on. Right, on the brakes, tighten to the got the, like I say, the 4 sighting and the 10 driving.
Right, cracking day drift limits despite a dodgy start. Thoroughly enjoyed the Ferrari drive, and now we're on our way home. Stop off.
Out the car and pee from the gym if you want.